Hey, my loves. I am just a girl who has to go to work, so I figured I would get ready with you guys before I make it to the office. I'm Intisar Eleanor, and thank you so much for joining my channel again. And I'm back with a unit from Asteria Hair. So my nails are not done. I took them off last night for some reason. I get like nervous and I just bite my nails. So there's my life. I'm back with a straight pre-braided lace front wig. She is rearing and ready to go. So let me show you how she's styled. Very beautifully, by the way. This is a 22-inch, 250% density unit. She is pre-cut, okay? Styled. She got baby hairs. Like I said, she's 22 inches. I'm loving the texture of this hair. I'm loving the texture of the hair, but look at the details on this. No track showing anything. Okay, Asteria Hair, I see you. It's early. I literally have a meeting in 45 minutes. I'm going to take the meeting at home and then go into the office and pretend. You know, because that's what they want. So, and that's what I'm going to give them. Ain't no shame in my game. So I'm coming back. Let's get into this unit. So this unit is 2 ponytails, okay, of Love, Sex, and Magic, already styled, pre-cut, bleached as well. She has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. I can already feel just by the texture of the lace that this is ready to go. She's ready to go. So let me just throw her on and let's see what she's working with. She does have an adjustable band, comb in the back. Alright, y'all, let's throw this mother jumper up on our heads. I am back with an Asteria Hair straight pre-braided lace front wig. Mother is said to be ready to go, okay? She said, pick me up, ho, I'm ready. And I said, cool beans. Now, I threw her on my head and immediately noticed how beautiful the Invisible HD lace is. So I have this, I believe, in 180% density. She may be 250. There are options for both, okay? There are options for both. So if you're looking at the 22-inch, right now she's going for around $200. If you're looking at the 250%, excuse me, at 22 inches, it's $228. So there are options here. I am obsessed with this unit. The lace does need to be colored as well as cut. This was very big head friendly. So I'm taking off a large piece of this lace so it can fit my head properly. Okay, because I intend on wearing Mother Glueless because that's what these people said I could do. So I'm going on through with my Bold Hold Glueless Gel. This stuff is really, really good, okay? Make sure you read the directions because it does need to dry thoroughly because otherwise it will leave a white cast. I will make sure that I have all of that information for the gel in my Amazon store so you guys can grab that as well because if you're wearing a glueless unit, this is the best way to go. And then make sure that your lace is really relatively invisible, which we also love. And you could use it on the hair, which we also love. So this unit really did feel like easy breezy, beautiful. Let's throw this mother jumper on it and go. I felt like she was giving that, and I really did appreciate that because this morning I was headed to work, okay? Because I ain't really had time for that. And I just wanted to see really in true wear and go form if I would be able, this was a test, if I would be able to kind of just throw her on and go. And with just a little bit Love, Sex, and Magic, I was able to do that. It took me more time to beat my face than it did throw the wig on, and that was the point. So I'm going on through. I'm going to shut my baby tat mouth. She is big head friendly. Mother did not tangle. This is a fantastic option if you do not know what you are doing with your wigs. This is a fantastic option, baby. To start it out, get you one of these. The style's already done for you, put. Just throw it on your head. Now I'm going to shut my mouth, and I'm going to see you on the other side. That was super easy. I'm obsessed with this. This Bold Hold Lace Jelly, I'm going to make sure that I link this below in my Amazon store so you guys can check this out. I'll come back with like a glam beat so you guys can see what she looks like when I'm beat down. But this is her. And she's ready for work, honey, okay? She looks like she has things to do, but she's fun, okay? but she has deliverables. Let me know what you guys think. This unit is going for $230 for 22 inches right now on this site. Of course, there are sales that they'll have and everything like that, but I want to make sure you guys check them out because this is a very affordable unit. Very easy, very beginner friendly, pre-cut, bleached, raring and ready to go. This is the one, if you don't know what the hell you're doing, you grab you one of these. And she do it for you. Okay, so I'm gonna shut my Mimi Tat mouth. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor, and have a good day at work, baby. So, in true me fashion, I told you guys I was gonna come back and let you know how I felt about this unit. And okay, so I've done a very similar unit to this one. Very similar. The style is different, but very similar in that it has the pre-style, pre-cut, everything like that. So let me say this. The hair on this is really, really nice. I probably would give it like an 8.5 out of 10. Really, really do love the hair. The lace is good, right? But something is about it, and the lace is good. The hair is better. How about that? That's the best way to put this. The lace is good, but the hair is much better. The texture of the hair is nice. It's like a silky yaki. It's very thick. It's 250% density, which I absolutely love. It doesn't necessarily feel like 250, but it is thick. You know what I mean? I can tell that it is definitely not 150%. So I think that matters. You know what I mean? If it was up to me, I do think that you guys need to check this unit out. They kind of came through and gave it to us. And if I'm being honest, the price point is just really impeccable. I love these pre-style units. If you're a beginner, this is what you need to be rocking. This is what you need to be buying. The style's already there. You don't have nothing to worry about. You throw this wig on and you keep it up and jumping, moving. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? I wanted to make sure I gave you guys like a real beat so you can see what she's look like. If you beat down, I think she cute. Now, I didn't add any powder to the part or anything like that. I didn't do any of that. And that's just a personal preference if I'm being honest. I just think it looks a little bit more natural. But I love this unit. Look at the curls. It just curls so well. I actually really do like this unit. I can't pretend. I can't even fake with y'all. I like it. Okay? We go together. Not real bad, but we kind of seeing each other. Kinda. Like if I was out and my girlfriend asked me, that's my man. But if I was out and a man asked me, I'm looking. You picking up what I put down? But I don't have nothing else to say. I think this unit is really beautiful. Like I said, she didn't shed much. Okay? She shed a bit, but not much. She didn't tangle at all. Okay? Very big hair friendly unit. I do have this glueless, which I love. Bam. Bam. Okay? Which I absolutely love. And like I said, she's beginner friendly. You couldn't ask for anything else. So I'm going to shut my Mimi Tat mouth. I did it. I done went to work in her flip throne. I literally threw her on the side, threw her back up on my Mimi Tat head. Okay? So I can do this for y'all. And I'm going to see you on the other side. Thank you so much for watching. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. And I'll see you later.